how to set your Samsung phone to answer calls using speaker by default. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. From here, we then go down to the Interactions section and tap on Answering and Ending Calls. Now go to the second items and tap on Answer using speaker. Make sure the toggle button is switched on. Here, once this is turned on, the phone will use speaker by default when there's no headset or Bluetooth device connected. So let's take an example. I will give myself a call, and when there is an incoming call, I will answer it, and it will turn on the speaker by default. And this is useful if you are driving or if you are doing something that you're busy and you cannot hold up your phone. The phone will automatically pick up the call and turn on the speaker by default. And that's it. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.